Trying to host a lively backyard party or relax by the pool in complete silence, or dealing with a fragile, ordinary Bluetooth speaker that you constantly have to baby around water and rush indoors the second a rain cloud appears is an absolute nightmare that totally ruins your outdoor vibe. Relying on basic portable speakers traps you with short signal ranges, constant low battery alerts, and thin sound that gets completely swallowed up by open air. The upgraded solar-powered outdoor rock speaker completely rescues you from cords and weather anxiety, functioning as a stealthy, high-velocity acoustic workstation engineered to flood your entire yard with deep, rich audio fueled completely by the sun. Don't let its realistic, stone-textured exterior fool you. This speaker naturally camouflages into your landscaping while packing an elite hardware layout. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the integration of an eco-friendly high-efficiency solar panel matrix paired with an IPX7 waterproof rating. This advanced structural layout means the speaker continuously drips power from standard daylight to deliver up to 15 hours of continuous playtime, completely eliminating the annoying chore of hauling extension cords outside. Backed by military-grade IPX7 waterproofing, it isn't just safe against minor pool splashes or heavy rainstorms. It can actually survive temporary submersion in water, allowing you to leave it out in your garden or patio all season long without a single worry. Engineered to transform your property into a high-fidelity live venue, this one pack delivers 30 W of crisp, deep-bass stereo sound powered by an upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 chipset for a stable, long-range connection up to 100 feet away. Utilizing an advanced multi-sync wireless pairing matrix, you can easily establish a primary hub and link up to 100 identical speakers simultaneously, creating a seamless surround sound blanket across expansive lawns, pools, or multiple garden zones. Complete with built-in ambient LED lights to illuminate your pathways at night, an ultra-convenient remote control to effortlessly skip tracks or adjust volume without leaving your lounge chair, and a standard fast-charging adapter port for quick manual top-offs before nighttime events. It is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for music lovers, outdoor hosts, and patio purists who demand elite audio immersion, rugged durability, and total green energy freedom. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price on this upgraded one-pack. Drop a comment letting me know if you're blending this solar rock speaker into your poolside garden or setting up a multi-sync array across your entire backyard patio. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart outdoor tech showcases, wireless audio reviews, and premium gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.